and welcome to English Sandwich. We are a channel dedicated to helping people learn and study English. Today we are learning more about prepositions. Prepositions are words that describe the relationship between a noun and another part of a sentence. They can describe time, place, or movement. Today we'll learn about how to use prepositions to talk about movement from one place to another. Prepositions help us understand more details about how people or things move. In what direction are things going, and how does that relate to objects around them? A common way to think about prepositions of movement is to imagine an airplane and a cloud. What are all the different ways that the airplane could move in relation to the cloud? Here are some examples to help us use these prepositions. I go to work every day. I came home late from school. I pour the drink into the cup. I take fruit out of the bag. Please take your shoes off the table. He skates around the skate park. They spin around. They really want to fly around the world. We drive toward the sunset. The storm moves away from the city. We usually walk past my favorite shop. I drive over the bridge to get to work. The squirrel digs under the ground to find its food. They walk through the airport to their gate. We sail across the water. The sun comes up from behind the mountains. They walk down the stairs. These prepositions tell us about the movement of objects in space and in relation to other objects. They can help us visualize and explain a scene so we understand how things move. A special note about to. Sometimes to is a preposition, but other times it is used with an infinitive verb. For example, I go to the store uses to as a preposition. I like to run uses to as an infinitive marker. Each time to is a preposition in these sentences, we have colored it. Next time you move from one place to another, or you move an object, try to make a sentence in your mind using one of these prepositions. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like if you liked this video, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment if you have any questions. For more English learning content, be sure to join our live streams on Twitch at twitch.tv/English_sandwich, where we stream live English lessons and fun content to help you learn and practice English. Twitch subscribers also have access to a worksheet with grammar practice each week. Thanks for watching.